Hey everyone! Today we're making yummy Korean BBQ at home. It's called Samgyeopsal. It's super tasty. We're going to grill pork belly and eat it in lettuce wraps. It's easy and fun to make. Ready? Let's go! In Korea, Samgyeopsal is more than just food. People cook and share it together. It brings everyone closer. It's great for parties or a fun dinner with family and friends. Everyone loves Samgyeopsal. First, let's get our ingredients. We need pork belly, which you can find at Korean grocery stores or some regular supermarkets. We also need lettuce for wraps. Red leaf lettuce or perilla leaves are great. For dipping, we need Ssamjang and sesame oil. Ssamjang is a Korean dipping sauce. It's a little spicy and savory. You can find it at Korean grocery stores. Sesame oil adds a nutty flavor. You can find it at most supermarkets. Let's prepare our ingredients. Wash the lettuce and dry it with a paper towel. Put the leaves on a plate. Next, let's make the dipping sauces. For the Ssamjang, we'll need gochujang, Korean chili paste, doenjang, soybean paste, sesame oil, sugar, and garlic. Mix it all up in a bowl. For the sesame oil dip, just mix sesame oil, salt, and pepper. Super easy. You can also add thinly sliced garlic and kimchi to grill with the pork belly. It adds a really good flavor. Now for the best part, grilling. Heat a grill pan or skillet on the stove top. Put the pork belly slices on the hot pan. Cook them until they're crispy and golden brown. You can use scissors to cut the pork belly into bite-sized pieces. Once the pork belly is cooked, it's time to eat. Take a lettuce leaf, add a piece of pork belly, some garlic, and a dollop of Ssamjang. Wrap it up and enjoy. Don't forget to try the sesame oil dip too. You can also add kimchi or other side dishes to your wraps. Samgyeopsal is best enjoyed with friends and family, so gather around the table, grill up some pork belly, and enjoy.